So another round of administrative embarrassment has fallen right at the feet of the current JFF leadership. The Maverick is in a space right now where we can't bother waste my energy shouting my crickets out and Dennis Chung out and the JFF out. That is the quintessential exercise in futility. The Jamaican football fan base cannot effect leadership change at the JFF. It's a closed fraternity. Only those 56 fraternity voters or FIFA can determine who leads the JFF and nobody else. Fans and journalists can huff and puff all we want. We cannot change the price of bread. So hear me now. I don't need to like or even approve of the JFF leadership to support my national teams. In other words, it's football me a support and not the JFF. It's like how the Reggae Girlz have this big assignment on Friday. Me I say support. Me I call on every Jamaican football fan to go out and support the Reggae Girlz, not the president or the Gen Sec or even the JFF building. We are supporting the football. You saw me I say, see that? And the football and that, see that the football team.